Chuck's 22 here, coming at you from one of the pig beaches of Bahamas. We're in the Bahamas, baby. Guys, we're here at the Swim with Pigs. We're about to get in the water here and swim with the pigs. But there they are, here in the Bahamas. Happy pigs. This is the life pigs should live. They shouldn't be in those damn slaughter farms or any of that. This is the way a pig should live his life, right here. And of course you got the rest of the Bahamas all around us. Take it all in. All of this Bahamas action right here.
Alright, we're gonna make some space to let you guys get in.
Alright, Chuck's 22 here, using the GoPro for this because we just had to come back from our boat, which is over there. I just had to piggyback carry a limo all the way from that boat to this beach. Don't get me started on that. Anyway, hopefully you can hear, because I don't normally do the GoPro. I use the phone, but the phone's on the boat. There's one of our pigs right over there. Hopefully I'm getting it for you. And there's a pig between the lawn chairs. And there we are. So a lot of people congregating to see the pigs. By the way, so as I was saying, Chuck's 22 coming at you from one of the pig beaches in Bahamas. We are in the Bahamas, baby. And anyhow, there's our friends. And yeah, I know what this guy's up to. Hey, what's up, my friend? I hear you like getting petted, huh? I hear you. Okay, let's give you a little good guy right there. This is the way a pig should live, not that pig farm stuff. This is how they should live. All right. And who else we have up here? I see the family over there. Oh my God, there's a pig over there just like laying and enjoying it. And again, I really hope we're getting this film. I'm really hoping we're getting the sound using the GoPro. You never know how that goes.
Yeah, maybe.
Says it's still filming, so that's good.
Do they take naps now after?
Yeah.
I'm sure they maybe. Look at this one over here.
This guy's just lounging,
Everybody,
enjoying himself,
everybody is like
living the good life.
It's like the hottest part of the day.
Oh, look at this guy right here, just enjoying it. Give him a little scratch behind the ears. I know he likes a good scratch behind the ears, this guy. There you go. Yeah, good guy. Oh, he's just snoring in his sleep. He is. Living a good life. Oh, here comes another. Peaceful little animals they are. And some not so little, but peaceful animals. Okay. Yeah. Family's getting some drinks, so I think I have to join them. I don't think it's... There we go. Well, hello, buddy. Check it out, my friend. Now you're busy. All right. Hey, he wants to go to the water. He doesn't want this food I got for him.
Let's go!
I'm gonna find a pig to feed. It seems a little harder than you think it would be. Hey, buddy, want some food? Oh, look at you! Look at you! All right, now let's give you a little apple action here. There you go. That's a good little piggy. Oh, hey, hey! I need you to smile for the camera for me, though. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I like you. I'm gonna give you another. There you go, my friend. All right. There you go. And just like that, he knows he got cut off. All right. Still filming. Still filming. Let's hook this man up right here. Little piglet. Yeah. In case you're wondering, this is why they gave you like a little container of food to feed him with this stick, and that's what we're doing here. Hook this guy up right here. That's a good little guy. Huh? Hey, you want the Chuck's 22 give you another one?
Yeah, she's holding it.
Want the Chuck's 22 give you? There you go, my buddy. Yeah? All right. Hey, 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 you. So food aggressive. Food aggressive you are. Here, here, here. Yeah, since it means so much, I have another. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. By the way, I hope this is like chicken meat and something. I hope it's not pork, but that would be bad. Okay? There you go. There you go. Yeah. All right.
You got little baby.
You have your phone.
Here. I want you to have an apple. I gave you all meat. Yeah, that's better for you. All right. All right, that's it. That's it. No mas. No mas. We gotta give it to the others over here. All right. All right. The little ones. Hey. What can we get? Who else can I feed? Looking for pigs to feed us. There you go. I'm looking for a little baby piglet there. There we go. Hey. They get a little aggressive on each other, I've noticed. They do get a little aggressive on each other. Some of these guys are food aggressive. All right. All right. I would like to feed this little guy. There you go, my little buddy. Here you go. There you go. Here, you need some meat on your bones, all right? Just keep... There you go. You need some meat on your bones. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, because you're so damn cute. There you go. All right. Really? Really? Okay. We should hook one of these other guys up here. Huh? Hey, all right. Hey, there you go. You gotta eat. Oh my, oh my. There you go. Who else? Who else? Who else can we feed?
Everybody, guys, make sure you get all your personal belongings for me, please.
Because you're so damn cute. There you go. I got one last one left. Who wants it? I'll give it to you. There you go. That's the last one. That's it. No mas. No more. That's it. We're out. Now the pigs won't love me so much. All right. I would like to pet this guy. Can I pet you? Yeah. Hello. 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 I guess you're not allowed to swim out there. Okay. Well, there it is. I need to go find me a garbage container. And that is it. Yeah, hungry pig. Oh, piglets.
No more.
And there they are. All right, guys. That's it for you beach pigs. I think I want to turn this camera off. And see what's doing. See what's doing, right? Right. Huh? That's no food, no food, no food. All right.
Oh yeah, Chuck, they said don't pet their faces because they might bite your fingers.
That's what I figured. All right, we just missed it, but this pig right here just knocked that over to get some more food. That's where you throw the garbage at. Smart pig.
He took them away.
What's that?
He took the apples.
You guys got some more over here.
I fed him 3 times. Right?
Oh, yeah.
He's gentle though.
What's up, buddy? What's up? I don't think there's any more food, my friend. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Hey. See, this guy's following the new people. He knows what to do. Huh? This guy is coming to the new people. They're all gathering up, man. They see a boat full of people coming in, and boy, they know what to do. I got tall enough some jet skis.
I know this one's mean.
Food aggressive, are ya? Let my feet. Yellow food. Alright, no mas, buddy, no mas. And I ain't got nothing for you. I gave all mine to that little. Alright, come on, come on. Yeah. I gave all mine to that little baby pig.
I wanted to get a picture of you feeding them. Do you want to feed one here?
I fed them
I
of
wanted
it.
to get you a pic of it. No, I'm getting the bully over there.
Yeah, the bullies know who to single out.
Water is fine. If you want to swim, you can join the water. If you feed them there, that's an easy food.
Oh, if you want them to swim,
Oh
I
yeah.
want to get pics with the babies.
I didn't even think about getting in the water, wasn't. What you guys gotta do, you gotta kind of walk around and pick different pigs. That's what I did. I fed the big ones. I fed like a really cute little baby one. This guy, you keep crating on my camera. What happened?
Bit me.
You got bit? Where?
Yes. In my leg. No more. No.
All right, hey, no more. No more.
know why they stick.
Bad. All right, so I'm trying to feed these pigs in the water. Just fed a bunch of them, but now I just left. Come here, pig. Yeah, come here, pig. Let's get you. Let's get you. There you go. Got it. Got it. Yes, you did. And because you came, you're the only one that came, you'll get my last one. My last one. That's it. That's it. No more. That's it, my friend. Here. Yeah. All right, that's it. That's it. That's it. Let's go back in the water. Come on, let's go. We're good. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, he's bummed out. Wasn't enough. But trust me, these guys been eating all day. All right. I'm gonna get rid of my cup. I think the crew's ready to go. All right, we're going back to our boat over there. So I didn't really film it before because I had to give Lima a piggyback ride as we went to saw the pigs. I'm gonna film it now. Look at this guy. Can't get enough of these pigs, people. I can't get enough of these pigs. All right, but about to go back in the water. So let's go. Going over there. Going over there. See how clear this water is, by the way? Welcome to the Bahamas, man. Welcome to the Bahamas, baby. Yeah, my throat's a little scratchy. I did some late night karaoke on last night. It's all good. Hey, hey, Habibi, come to the Bahamas, right? Huh? All right. There it all is. Coming up to the boat. It's almost stop filming here in a sec. But there's our boat. Everyone's already there waiting for me. But there you go. Got the island back behind me. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. So cool, man. So pretty and so cool at the same time. So there it is. Yamaha motor, gotta like that. Well craft. All right, getting back on here now. We done.
Hi guys.